Enjoy the Wood presents one more incredible project filled with your memories. We've been presenting our maps on Kickstarter since 2018 and have launched 9 successful campaigns with over 10,000 backers who believed in our products. Today, we bring you a whole new story, but it's still about travel and authentic wall decor. We believe everyone has a tradition of preserving memories from their travels in the form of photographs. And yet, there are so many memories that there's not enough space to keep them all. What if there was a way to store photos originally and authentically? We present you an entirely different world map that stands apart from anything you've seen before. We've combined 3 of our biggest passions: traveling, collecting memories, and wooden world maps. Having all that together, you get an incredible design piece and eye-catching decor at your home. The travel photo map is called to collect memories and revive them just by looking at the wall. The idea is to show and share your stories, put them on the map, and admire how beautiful your life is. The world is big, and it's your time to fill it with memories, step by step. There are maps of 3 colors to choose from, and 4 sizes for your preference. They perfectly blend in any interior, so you'll find your match. And of course, these maps can be with your favorite LED lights. If you are more of a country explorer, you can choose a map of the USA, Canada, or Australia to explore each region in exquisite detail. Years go by, and your travels continue, and after all, you put the last memory piece on the map together.